Okay, this is the box we got. All right.
This is the ball. Okay, we need to plug the battery. And then if you want to try just like that, you have to hold, turn on the switch. Here is the switch.
Okay.
Turn on this side and then hold this too. Now it's you have to hold this one and press hard, or if you want to test in the water. Okay, just bring here. Here is the water, just put on the water.
So this is good.
Is working.
This is the first. Do you have another one?
Yes. Yeah, here is one more. Connect the battery and turn on. Put on the water. It's working.
That's the third.
More, but I put already on the box. You want me to test?
Yes, let's show 'em. Any parts missing?
On one of them, the charger, I mean two of them, charger missing, and then one of them, this plastic is missing.
Okay.
This is the door. Just need to open. This is the battery.
You can just show with your hands. We don't need to put it on the water.
The remote control, all the same frequency, the blue.
Okay.
Blue. You need to hold.
So both rotors are turning. Okay.
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3. We tested 3.
Yes. And this one, I think they tried, or I don't know, but this is broken right here. I think something wrong with the signal, but just this one.
Okay.
Yes.
So we checked 4 pieces. One of them losing signal.
Yes, just this one.
But that part is broken.
This part is broken.
Okay, and we have how many here?
4 is
and 4
unopened.
never opened. Okay, alright. Okay, that's good, alright.